Welcome to our Materials Recovery Facility, also called the MRF. This is where we live our commitment to environmental and social impact. This is where people and technology work in synchrony to sort, compact and aggregate municipal dry waste. Through these efforts, waste begins to be transformed into resources.
Our materials recovery facility is set up in an industrial area across 17,000 square feet. It was set up back in 2017 and has now completed 5 years, especially past the pandemic period. I was a key part of curating the solution, and I'm proud to say that it aligns very well with the mission and vision statements of Saha Zero Waste. It has the right combination of machinery and technology for us to be able to provide the ideal working conditions and the right solutions for maximum resource recovery.
The MRF has a capacity of 10 metric tons per day. The largest source of waste is our bulk waste customers, from whom we collectively receive an average of 8 metric tons of waste every day. The wet waste from these bulk waste customers is managed through on-site composting and biomethanation. The MRF then becomes the end destination for all their dry waste. Apart from our customer locations, we also receive 2 metric tons of segregated dry waste from partner local bodies. This waste comes to us through door-to-door collection and also from selected dry waste collection centers. The facility is a huge value add to our customers. The dry waste, which is segregated at source at our customer locations, goes through deep sorting at this facility. The waste is received at the MRF and tracked through IoT systems. Sorting and processing of waste is diligently tracked through our MIS. Each type of waste has a defined end destination, which is either recycling or co-processing. Our data demonstrates that less than 4% of waste is sent to landfills from the MRF. The sorted waste is compressed into bales for easy transportation using the baler. For instance, just one bale of PET bottles may have more than 6,500 bottles. The compressed bales are then dispatched to authorized end destinations. These destinations too go through a due diligence process from Saha Zero Waste to ensure responsible resource recovery. We have formal contracts with these destinations and the entire operations are tracked end to end. We would like to acknowledge the big role that our team has played in optimizing our MRF. This has enabled us to have a working model for dry waste management, which can be replicated across our cities in India and even in rural areas.
The MRF works for as much as maximum resource recovery as to provide the safe and dignified working conditions for the workforce. This is what we are able to bring to the table for the partners whom we are working with. We are happy to share that Government of Karnataka has adopted this decentralized MRF model and looking to scale across the rural landscape in the next 3 to 4 years. Apart from the environmental impact of diversion of waste from landfill, a 10 tons per day MRF facility provides direct livelihood option to 70 plus people from the base of the pyramid.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಚಂದ್ರಿಬಾಯಿ. ನಾವು ಕನಕಪುರದ ಕಡೆಯವರು. ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೇನು ಸಾಲ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಇರೋ ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಇಬ್ಬರೇನೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೇನು ಸಾಲಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗಾರ್ಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ ಬಂದು. ಆ ಗಾರ್ಡನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು 5,000 6,000 ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಯಿತು, ನಮಗೆ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೇರಿದು ನಮಗೆ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
We spent about 1 crore rupees to set up the different machinery in this MRF. Machinery comprises sorting and baling equipment, some weighment systems, digital systems. The facility can take about 10 tons of waste per day, comprising different types of plastic, paper, glass, metal, coming from different sources like corporates, apartments, DWCCs and municipalities. Here at our MRF, the operational costs are pretty high because we have taken a space in an industrial area. Costs comprise the rental expenses, salaries of our various staff. We have maintenance, hygiene, safety and other compliance costs. We broke even in about 4 years on our ROI, but pandemic also slowed down this process. Now we are sustainable, but the entire business model is sustained only if you get a service fee from the generators of waste who are bulk consumers, from the producers who can support us with the EPR funds, and also from the payback by the recyclers.
I came here to understand what is the process. Actually, the process is really good.
Just like we have a factory for manufacturing our products, we now need a material recovery facility to be able to actually recover materials again from our waste and bring it into a closed loop system.